Notwithstanding the uncertainties around the current negotiations on Brexit, Britain will be outside of the European Union single market and customs union in 4 months' time. This will have a profound impact on companies that move goods to, from or through the United Kingdom. The government is here to help businesses to make this transition, and this week published the Brexit Readiness plan. And within that plan there's a range of supports to help companies deal with this profound change. A new Ready for Customs grant is available through Enterprise Ireland, which will provide up to €9,000 per eligible employee hired or redeployed within the business to a dedicated customs role. There are also customs training and supports available from SkillNets, Enterprise Ireland, the local enterprise offices and many others. These supports are in addition to the €20 million Brexit fund that was made available through the government's July stimulus programme that will help small to medium-sized companies put the staff, software and IT systems in place to be ready for new customs arrangements. It is important that companies and businesses intensify their preparations for Brexit, and government is available and ready to support businesses and companies in this regard and will continue to do so.